Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Docker Desktop Registry, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your Docker Desktop application. Make sure you are connected to the internet. Locate the Docker icon in your system tray and click on it. From the drop-down menu, select Sign In. You will be prompted to enter your Docker Hub credentials. If you do not have an account, click on Create an Account. Fill in the required information and complete the sign-up process. Once you have your credentials, return to the sign-in page. Enter your Docker Hub username and password. Click on the Sign In button. After successfully logging in, you will see your username displayed in the top right corner. Now, navigate to the Registry section in Docker Desktop. Here, you can manage your images and containers. If you have images already, they will be listed. To pull a new image, open the command line. Use the command Docker pull followed by the image name. Press Enter to execute the command. Monitoring the progress in the terminal will show when the image is downloaded. To push an image to the registry, ensure you are logged in. Use the command Docker push followed by your image name. Confirm the push, and the image will be uploaded to your Docker Hub account. To log out, return to the Docker Desktop application. Click on your username in the top right corner. Select Logout from the drop-down menu. You have now successfully logged out of Docker Desktop Registry. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.